learned the tension in a room before I learned to read. Learned the sound of someone sighing like it was talking to me. I learned to spot a mood shift from the way the door would close. Learned to feel danger in the silence, not the blows. I learned to keep my feelings folded, tucked away, kept clean. I learned to disappear politely so no one noticed me. I didn't know what fear was called, I just knew how it felt. Didn't know I was surviving, I thought this